This matter has currently become a major topic of discussion in both the sports and entertainment worlds. Indian women's cricket team's star batter Smriti Mandhana and renowned music composer Palash Muchal were once believed to be heading towards a grand wedding, but those dreams shattered even before November 2025. Initially, the decision was described as a personal and family matter, but fresh allegations that have now surfaced have given the entire case a sensational and shocking twist. According to reports, Smriti Mandhana and Palash Muchal were scheduled to get married on 23 November 2025 in Sangli, Maharashtra. Both families had already begun preparations for the wedding. However, just before the ceremony, Smriti's father Srinivas Mandhana suddenly fell ill. He was admitted to the hospital with symptoms resembling a heart attack. Due to his deteriorating health, the wedding was first postponed and later put on hold indefinitely. In December 2025, Smriti and Palash issued a joint statement on social media, clearly announcing that they had mutually decided to cancel the wedding. They also requested the media and fans to respect their privacy during this difficult phase of their personal lives. At that time, no one had any clear idea about the real reason behind the breakup. The case took an unexpected and dramatic turn when Vidyan Mane, Smriti Mandhana's childhood friend, made serious allegations against Palash Muchal. Vidyan Mane claimed that he was personally present during the wedding-related events and witnessed something that completely shook the foundation of the relationship. According to him, Palash Muchal was allegedly caught red-handed in bed with another woman. The situation reportedly became extremely tense and disturbing. Vidyan Mane further claimed that following this incident, the atmosphere turned chaotic and some Indian women cricketers allegedly assaulted Palash in anger. After this incident, the relationship reportedly broke beyond repair. Quoting Vidyan Mane, Hindustan Times reported his statement as saying, "I was present at the wedding ceremony when he was caught red-handed in bed with another woman. The scene was terrifying. Indian women cricketers beat him badly. The entire family is full of thieves. I had thought that after marriage they would settle down in Sangli, but everything turned completely against me." It is important to note that these are allegations and no official confirmation has been made by any independent authority or the accused parties so far. Vidyan Mane did not stop at personal accusations alone. He also made serious claims regarding financial fraud against Palash Muchal. According to him, he met Palash through Smriti's family. During their interaction, Palash allegedly discussed a film project and promised that the film would be completed within 6 months. Vidyan Mane claimed that he invested around 40 lakh rupees in this project. However, neither was the film ever made nor was his money returned. He further alleged that after the wedding was cancelled, Palash stopped answering his phone calls altogether. Earlier, the official reason cited for the cancellation of the wedding was Smriti's father's illness and Palash's own health issues. It was said that Palash fell sick due to stress and exhaustion. However, Vidyan Mane's recent revelations have now put the entire narrative under serious question, leaving people wondering what the real truth actually is. As of now, neither Smriti Mandhana nor Palash Muchal has issued any official statement in response to these fresh allegations. Therefore, it would be too early to draw any conclusions. The matter currently remains at the level of accusations, and the truth can only be established after legal or official verification. Do you believe these allegations could be true, or is this a one-sided story? Share your opinion in the comment section.